In this video, I'll guide you through how to authenticate a domain with Google Workspace. By the end, your domain will be properly verified so you can send and receive emails with your custom address and use all of Google's Workspace tools without any issues. First, you'll need access to the Google Admin Console. This is different from a regular Gmail or Google account. It's the place where you manage your organization's Google services. Open a browser and sign into the Admin Console using your administrator account. That's usually the account you used when you first set up Google Workspace for your domain. Once you're in the Admin Console, look for the section where you manage your organization's account details. From there, navigate to the Domains area. You'll typically go to Account, then Domains, and then choose Manage Domains. This is where all the domains connected to your Google Workspace are listed. Find the domain you want to authenticate and look for an option to verify it. Click on Verify Domain. This starts the verification process and tells Google that you're ready to prove you own this domain. Google will now provide you with a unique piece of text called a TXT record. This looks like a long string of random characters, often labeled as a Google site verification code. Don't worry if it looks strange, it's just a special code that only Google and your domain's DNS settings will recognize. Your job is to copy this exact value without changing anything. With that verification code copied, you'll switch over to your domain registrar. This is the company where you bought your domain name, such as Hostinger, GoDaddy, or another provider. Sign into your account there using your usual login details, and then find the DNS or DNS management section for your domain. It might also be labeled as DNS zone or something similar. Inside the DNS settings, you'll see a list of records, like A records, MX records, and possibly existing TXT records. You're going to add a new TXT record. Look for an option such as Add Record or Add TXT Record and select TXT as the type. For the host or name field, you'll usually enter the symbol @ This tells your provider that the record applies to the root of your domain, not a subdomain. In some systems, you might leave it blank if they automatically assume the main domain, but most commonly you'll use @puts. In the value or content field, paste the exact Google site verification code that Google gave you in the Admin Console. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end. If there's a TTL field, you can leave it at the default value unless your provider suggests otherwise. After everything looks correct, save or apply the new TXT record. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take a little time to update across the internet, sometimes up to an hour or more, though often it's much faster. Once the TXT record is saved, go back to the Google Admin Console where you started the verification. There you can click the button to verify or confirm your domain. Google will check the TXT record you just added, and if everything is set up correctly, your domain will be authenticated with Google Workspace and ready to use.